Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Wake up, man. Wake up. It's time to go to school. Whew. Oh, hey, how are you doing today, guys? I'm doing great. It's day 11, I think, of the reverse diet. I'm gonna get lost on the days eventually. It might even be wrong today. I'm not sure. It's day 11 on the reverse diet, and feeling pretty good. Had my first 1,400 calorie day yesterday. And as you can see today, the scale is up. So, now you can see why you could play head games with yourself. Scientifically, I know that I am burning more than 1,400 calories and I'm still in a deficit. I also know that I wasn't completely lazy yesterday. So even if I was laying around doing absolutely nothing without moving all day, I still burn more calories than I took in yesterday. But the scale is saying otherwise. And that's why I say I'm not going to give much credence to the scale right now. But you know what the nice thing is about doing this? You guys can actually see that I literally did nothing wrong that would cause water weight to pile on me. Every time this happens to me, I think, gosh, people must think I'm lying. They must think that I'm eating things outside my plan. They must think that I'm eating all these carbs. Guys, my carbs yesterday, even with that fruit, was only 13.9. Yeah, 13.9 net carbs yesterday. It's not my carbs. And it's not even, I didn't even eat a Quest bar. So it's not the Quest bars. I did the exact same supplementation that I do every single day. So it's not my supplements. It's legit just nutso crazy crap that happens to me on the scale. That's it. So I guess it's kind of nice in a way to be able to share that with you guys in a very transparent way, because I'm showing you literally every single thing that I put in my mouth. Oh, except for last night, I forgot to show you my ritual vitamin, my magnesium. Sorry about that. There was a windstorm. Anyway, I did take it. Same thing. Rinse and repeat. And that is the deal. It does not matter what I do. It does not matter what I try. Every single month, my scale goes up. And I can't do anything about it. I've been checking in with my friends today, and there have been hurricane force winds. Level 2 and level 3 hurricane. At the University of Utah, it was 112.
Mom, can I be done?
There's trees down everywhere, and we have some wind, but it's nothing like that. And that's just like 30 minutes north of us. Like by where our studio is that we're supposed to go later today. There's no trees by our studio, so probably it'll be okay, but will the power be on? Because apparently they don't have power. Crazy! Cold. I don't want to go out. Gotta check on the chickens though and see how they fared through the wind. Thankfully, it didn't hit that bad here. Looks like we got a pool floaty that escaped the pool, which was expected. Dave said there was a chicken out of the fence, and I don't see one. Chickies! Chicks! Well, if there was, it must have gotten back in, because I don't see any. How does it feel to be trapped inside the fence, guys? Huh? It's not super fun, is it? Got any egg, Buffy? Yep, I'll take those. All right, so it's 1:30. I just took my dose of Solé and I'm about to have my first meal. I'm having a typical first meal for me today because I'm planning to have a Quest bar later today. So I already have my whole entire day tracked out, so I already know what I'm going to be eating for dinner as well. So I have everything good, and I'm going to show you what I'm eating for my first meal. So I have a typical first meal for me. This is a banana premier shake cooked with 2 eggs, some sweetener, salt, and 10 grams of slivered almonds, 30 grams of center cut bacon, 56 grams of mozzarella cheese slices fried in a pan, and 3 sugar-free Jellos, Winky brand, my favorite. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, the sun is out, but it is still cold. We are heading out to the very first day of dance 2020. It's not hot in here. Are you kidding me? I have a sweater and a shirt and a jacket. And I'm still cold.
There's this hole in the There's heat in the car.
No, not really. So anyway, we're here at the dance studio. Tonight is the first day of dance class. And I just realized I got here and I forgot my Solé water. And I don't even have my backup sodium. I usually carry around some Himalayan pink salt in a baggie in my purse during the year, you know. But because I haven't gone anywhere since like March, I don't have it in my bag. And I have to dance tonight, so that's awesome. I already am starting to feel thirsty, which usually is a sign that I need sodium. And I have to go through an exercise class, which I usually need extra sodium for. So wish me luck. I do, however, have a second bang, 3 sugar-free Jellos, and a Quest bar. And I'm gonna eat it all right now. I'm freezing. I don't really want to dance, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, where's my mask? I sat on it. Crud. I want my water bottle. I can't hold all of this stuff and get a mask at the same time. There it is. She's like, Mom, you're forgetting your mask. Yeah, I forgot. I can do this one-handed, can I? No, I cannot. Okay. It's on. Let's go.
I
got home. It's like 9:15, 9:20. Finally getting a dose of Solé. I am behind. Probably going to be paying for it tomorrow. I'll try and hit another dose after I finish editing tonight. So hopefully that'll round it out at 4. But still, that was miserable doing it. I need to remember to bring that with me tomorrow. Don't let me forget, guys. It's rough. I still have to edit a video. I'm not used to this dance schedule again. My stomach hurts. My legs hurt. That was a lot of work. It is 9:30. I'm about to eat. I'm going to show you guys what I'm eating for my last meal of the day. Tonight I am having hamburger gravy. There's a recipe for this in my playlist, but it's basically bouillon xanthan gum with beef. And I also have onion in here. I think 30 grams of onion. And I can't remember how much green peas. I tracked it all, I promise. There's 155 grams of cauliflower rice in there, 60 grams of mushrooms. I think it's a third of a cup of green peas. I could be wrong about that. And about an ounce of cheddar cheese. And that is going to be my last meal of the day.